In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a gift. So sending a gift is quite similar to adding a new address in your account. So you're going to start by clicking on Manage Deliveries over here. Scroll down to Add another address. And at the top you'll see, is this a gift? So you'll click Yes. Type in the new address you would like. If there's a unit number, any additional instructions, the recipient's name, so say you're sending it to a friend, their email address, any gift message, say it's for a birthday, and then the termination date. So this dictates how many bouquets you'll be sending them. So say I want to send my friend a couple bouquets, I will click on termination date of April 4th and then click Save.